Hello friends, Satish Tiwary here from Mythical Hacking Tuition Center, Jaipur. Today I will show you how to find technology behind a web application or a website. Suppose you have seen a website and you want to know what are the technology behind this website, how to know it using your Kali Linux machine. The simple method is, first of all, you need to install a software named WhatWeb. So WhatWeb. So apt install WhatWeb, install this application, and once you install this application, you can use this command WhatWeb, and then you can type the name of the website or web application you want to know about. Like you want to know about the technology behind google.com, then just type whatwebgoogle.com and it will bring you all the details related to google.com technologies. What are the technologies behind this google.com? You will be able to understand and know. Let's wait for the result. It will take little time depending on your internet connection and your system configuration. If you have a good system and good internet, it will take less time. So you can see it's giving you all the information here. So like it's hosted in United States. You can see the title is Google. You can see the IP address of google.com. So you can see so many information like which server is running and all these things related to Google. Similarly, if you want to know about some another website, later suppose you want to know about WhatWeb, satishtiwary.com. I have created this website on Blogspot. Okay, I just want to see what it's giving and how much information it's bringing. Okay, so I have created this website on Blogger, and you can see it's clearly telling that Blogger. You can see it's Blogger like satishtiwary.com is hosted on blogger.com. Title it's bringing Satish Tiwary because in title I have given Satish Tiwary. Okay, and I have also linked with this YouTube, so you can see YouTube headers also here. I have linked this with my YouTube channel. You can see the domain name satishtiwary.com. Since Blogger is from US, it's a Google product, so it's a country is United States because I have hosted this on Blogger, which is in United States. So you can see all the information here. Similarly, let me try for Amazon. Okay, so I will try amazon.com. So this is also a web application or website which is available on internet, and you can check the information related to this. You can check the technology behind this. You can check the IP address. You can check the more information like not only IP address but the platform also. It's sometimes telling the security applied it on it, and you will able to get all those information here. Just wait and see. One by one, it's giving so much information here, whether JavaScript has been used or not, compatibility related issues. It will show you all those information related to computer, and you can see the amazon.com 200 OK content language English USA. You can see, and the cookies and HTML HTTP server is working on this, means web server. You can see the IP address here. This is the IP address of amazon.com. So if you want to open amazon.com, you just type this IP address in the browser and it will open the amazon.com because this IP belongs to Amazon. Okay, and all these informations are here. You can clearly see all those information here, which is like, see, this tool has some limitation. Okay, it will not give you everything. If you want to know more about this, you have another website. You can go to an official website and you can type there, and you will get more information. For example, let's open the browser, and inside the browser I will show you how you can use your browser to know more about the technology behind web application. So this command will give you the less information, not that detailed information. But if you want detailed information, you can simply use this command builtwith.com. Builtwith.com. Go to this website builtwith.com and open this website. Inside this website, you can type the name of the website or domain here. Suppose amazon.com. I am giving here amazon.com, and this will bring you more information. Okay, so you can see when you type this one, you will get more information here. Document type, you can see the document standards, whatever, and you are getting the same information there also, but not that much information you are getting there. But here you are getting more information. You can see the detailed technology profile. Okay, but it's saying that if you want, like, we are using it for free. If you want, like, you are a premium user, then you have to pay $144 per year to be the premium user and to get the more information of this. Okay, but still you will get more information, like so many features for free here on this website builtwith.com. This is very helpful for you. So if you want to know about any web application or website detail, and you want to know the technology behind this web application, you have this tool WhatWeb, and you have another website builtwith.com. And this both will help you to understand the technology behind any website or any web application. So you can use this according to your requirement and enjoy. Thank you for watching.